Number 1. The Megatherium. The Megatherium, also known as the giant ground sloth, lived about 65.5 million years ago in South America during the Cenozoic era. They lived again in North America about 2.6 million years ago to 10,000 years ago, when a connection between the Americas formed and they migrated. This gargantuan sloth could weigh up to 4 tons and be nearly 20 feet in length. They had massive curling claws, surprisingly used to cut branches and eat leaves of trees and bushes. The species likely went extinct during the last ice age due to loss of habitat and being hunted by early humans. This was about 10,000 years ago. Number 2. The Dunkleosteus. Also known as the armored fish, this lived later in the Devonian period about 380 to 360 million years ago, 100 million years before the dinosaurs. These massive aquamarine animals grew to be about 30 feet long and could weigh up to 4 tons. The armored fish had no teeth, but its jaw had a crushing weight of up to 4 tons, used to kill other marine animals and even each other if there wasn't enough food to go around. The outside of this animal was covered in thick armored plates, protecting it from any predators. This animal went extinct millions of years ago, at the start of the Carboniferous period. Number 3. The Meganura. The Meganura, also known as the giant dragonfly, lived at the end of the Carboniferous period about 300 million years ago. Due to high oxygen levels at this time period, this animal could have a wingspan the length of a small child. This massive dragonfly could consume smaller animals, small amphibians, and other insects. Number 4. The Jacalopterus. Living in freshwater lakes and rivers, the Jacalopterus, also known as the giant sea scorpion, could grow up to 8.2 feet long and could weigh more than 850 pounds. This terrifying creature had 2 long arms with serrated claws, 4 legs, 2 paddles used to swim, and a long tail ending in a 3rd paddle. These massive serrated claws were used to catch and rip apart any fish and small aquamarine life it could find. The giant sea scorpions lived nearly 390 million years ago. Number 5. The Arctodus. The Arctodus, also known as the giant short-faced bear, lived in the Pleistocene time period about 1.8 million years ago until 11,000 years ago. This gargantuan bear could grow up to 12 feet long and could weigh almost 1 ton. It ate almost any animal it came across due to its immense size. The strength and size are not the chilling factor of the bear, it's the speed. Studies of the skeleton's rear legs show that this bear could travel at speeds of 30 miles per hour.